Hello, this is Dr. Millicent Thomas. I'm creating this video just for you to help completing the homework 1 which was assigned in your WebAssign. I'm going to have the WebAssign and GeoGebra side by side on my screen, and I'll show you how to do 2 or 3 problems in your homework. You may not have the same question, you may have similar type of problems. In your homework 1, I think your first problem is quite easy to do. So I'll start with question number 2. It says, the integrand is the difference between two functions. You have to sketch the graph and also you have to shade the region to represent the area between the two curves. So the first one is y equal to x plus 2. So y equal to x plus 2, so I have the intercept or I can choose points at 0, 2 and say 1, 3 to create the line on my WebAssign. So I'm going to select the line. So when you select the line, you have to select the first diagram because that only gives you a straight line, the line with 2 arrows. Don't select the other 2 because the second one gives you the vector and the third one is just a segment. I don't want the segment, I want the line representing x plus 2. So I'm going to choose 2 points, 0, 2 and 1, 3 here because that is clear on my screen. So let us select 0, 2 and 1, 3. So when I select these 2 points, automatically the line is created. Y equal to x plus 2 is created. Then the second one is y is equal to x by 2. Now when I take y equal to x by 2, I can choose 2 points on the line as 0, 0 and 2, 1. So I am going to create another line. So let us choose another line connecting the points 0, 0 and 2, 1, 2, 1. So that is the second line. These are the 2 curves, and I have to find the area between x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So what is x equal to 0? You know, x equal to 0 is going to be your y-axis. So I'm going to highlight the y-axis. Again, I select this. Y-axis is a point, say, connecting 0, 0 and any point on the y-axis. So I'm taking that as the line. Okay. Then again, I need x equal to 8. X equal to 8 is a line parallel to the y-axis passing through the point 8, 0. So maybe I can choose another line. That is a line connecting the point 8, 0 and any point on this vertical line. So that is the line. Okay. See here it looks like on the graph layer, say I have not selected unnecessary points. I have selected only line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Sometimes when we are unnecessarily clicking points on these lines, it may create many layers. And maybe if you are not clicking the exact point on the line, then it is hard for the thing to adjust for the area. So please be sure that you have only these lines and don't want to have unnecessary graphs or unnecessary layers here like extra points or something like that. So I have these 4. I would like to fill this area. It says sketch the graph and shade the region. So when you have to shade the region, I have to fill this area, the area between these 2 lines and the point x equal to 0, x equal to 8. So I'm going to press fill. It will say fill will be removed if you select a new tool. Okay, so I'm going to fill this. Which area I'm going to fill this part? See, that is created. So once when I select this, I think that will be your correct solution, and you have to press submit. I don't have that submit here. Okay, so this must be the correct answer. So you're not trying to find any area here, you're not trying to find any solution. This is how you have to do the second question. Okay, so I'm going to do two more, and let us see, then I'll submit and I'll see what goes with this. The third question. Here again, you have to sketch the graph, the two integrands are given, and you have to shade the region between those two. So for that, I'm going to make use of my GeoGebra. Let me clear all these unnecessary previous ones. I'm going to delete all these graphs. Okay, I deleted all this. So the first one is y equal to 2 minus x squared. Y equal to 2 minus x squared. So when I say y equal to 2 minus x squared, it looks like I can choose the point 0, 2, and here it is negative 2, negative 2. So let me see whether I can move this diagram. Okay, let me select 0, 2, and maybe even I can take negative 1, 1. So that is also there. So I'm going to select this curve. This is either the vertex is down below or right on top. So I have to select this one, not this one. Okay, not the horizontal, this one. This is the vertical thing, concave up or concave down. So when I'm selecting this, always focus on the vertex first. So the vertex for this parabola is 0, 2. Mark that point first, and then choose any one of these points. You can choose 1, 1 or negative 1, 1. Let me, when I'm choosing 1, 1, see, it just one vertical parabola is created. So when you're creating a parabola, choose the vertex first and then one of those points. So those two will do. That is for the first one. Next, I have to select y equal to x squared. You know how to draw y equal to x squared, but I would like to be a little careful with this. Y equal to x squared is this curve, this parabola. So I can select the same thing, but I have to focus on the vertex. Vertex is 0, 0, and then 1, 1 or negative 1, 1. So let me select the same curve. This is concave up or concave down, not the horizontal axis. You need to have the vertical axis. So you focus on the vertex first. So that is 0, 0, and one of the 2 points. Any one of those. This is the region. Now you have to shade the region between the 2 curves, between negative 1 and positive 1. See, it intersects at negative 1 and positive 1. So no need to draw the line x equal to negative 1, x equal to 1, because it already intersects. Whereas in my previous diagram, it was not intersecting. See, the 2 lines were not intersecting at the required point. The point was 0 to 8. The lines were not intersecting at 0, 8. So you created the 2 vertical lines x equal to 0, x equal to 8. Whereas in this situation, there is no need to draw vertical lines. It is sufficient to have the 2 parabolas, y equal to 2 minus x squared and y equal to x squared. So you know that this is the region between the 2. You have to fill it. So press fill. Now fill this area. See? That's it. You are not asked to evaluate the integral. The question is sketch the graph, shade the region. That's it. So that's all for number 3. Now the same thing here. The integrand of the thing is the difference between the 2. Sketch the graph and shade the region, and you have to choose the correct one. So let me show that also here. I'm going to delete the unnecessary ones here. So the first curve is y equal to x cubed divided by 3, x cubed by 3, then minus x. That is the first one. Okay, the second one is y equal to x by 3, x divided by 3. Okay, so it is between 2 to 3, x equal to 2. So let me draw those lines also. X equal to 2 is somewhere, it is this point, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Since the point of intersection is there at the point 2, I am not drawing x equal to 3, I am just drawing x equal to 3. So between 2 to 3, if you are trying to shade it, so this will be the region. See, this is the region. So you have a line to the point of intersection is just above, so I cannot pick this. I cannot, it is intersecting at 2. You have drawn the line at 2. See whether the two curves look similar. These two curves look similar, but it is shaded here between 0 to 2 also it is shaded. But you need only between 2 to 3. Only between 2 to 3 have to shade, not between 0 to 3. So though these two curves look like the same, the one on top looks like the same, I am interested only the thing shaded between 2 to 3. So this must be my correct solution, not this one. This is not the case because I don't see the area between the two curves and the line. See? So that is this portion here. I'm not able to shade it. This is the portion I need. I don't need the shade. I need only that shade. So I have shaded that. Okay. So let us try the same thing here. You can do the fifth one, almost the same type. Okay. Let us try one more, because here you are asked to shade these regions and find the area. So when you do problems, don't just focus on the things what you are trying to graph and shade. Maybe in some questions they may ask you to find the area too. So you have to find the area. So let me do question number 6 for you to understand. So I'm going to erase all this. Okay. So the first one is y equals x squared minus 4. Oh, sorry. X squared minus 4. So the vertex is, see, the vertex is at the point 0, negative 4, and 2, 0 is another point. So I would like to have this curve, the first one, where the minimum here are the vertexes at the point negative 4, 0, and it passes through 2, 0. So you are able to get the graph. Okay. The next one, you have to get the graph for y equal to negative x plus 5. So if I connect the points, the y-intercept is 5, x-intercept is 5, you know that becomes the equation here. So I am interested in finding the line, that is the first one, not the second or the third. See, there are 2 more diagrams. I'm not going to select these 2. I'm going to select only the first one, because the first one is my line connecting which point? This 0, 5 and 5, 0. So that is the line. Then x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is the y-axis. So I can just say, you know, that x equal to 0 is the y-axis. I'm just showing all those. X equal to 0 is the y-axis. So I would like to select the line again. I would like to highlight it. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 may be choose any point on the y-axis. So I'm going to select this and this to have the line drawn. Then x equal to 2, again x equal to 2 is the line parallel to the y-axis, correct? So I would like to draw the line x equal to 2. So again select this. Be careful about the line. Choose 2 points which is parallel to this. So you have this curve, this line, and these 2 lines. So now you have to fill. Use solid lines. You have used solid lines for the boundaries. Yes, you have solid lines. Now you have to fill. When I want to fill, I click only this area. If you do not select that x equal to 0, x equal to 2, then it will fill the entire one. So you have to select, you have to draw x equal to 0 again. Though it is your y-axis, you have to draw the line x equal to 2 and then fill it. Okay. Now when you want to find the integral, maybe I can find that in my GeoGebra itself. I would like to find integral of the function. Which one is lying above? My g is lying above, correct? G minus f, and the starting value is from 0 to 2. If you want, you can use GeoGebra itself, or if you want, you can try using a graphing calculator. Since I'm projecting this thing, okay, let me enter these values clearly here. It is not accepting it. So my g is negative x plus 5, correct? Minus x squared minus of minus 4, which is plus 4, between 0 to 2. So this is the integral I'm trying to get. And anyway, I'm not going to draw that region. So this is the integral. Integral negative x plus 5 minus x squared plus 4 between the point 0 to 2, 13.33. So when I enter in my calculator 13.33, I don't, if you enter just 13.33, the thing will not accept it, because it is a non-terminating decimal here. It will go 13.3333, etc. So I would like to change this into a fraction. So if you are converting this to maybe 10 decimal figures, then you will not see it goes on. So if it is 13.33333 and enter, calculate that as a fraction. Let me include that in my calculator. So I would like to have math functional integral negative x plus 5 minus x squared plus 4 x squared plus 4 comma with respect to x between 0 to 2. So I get this as 13.33. When I use that as a fraction, I get that as 40 divided by 3. So my answer to this question is 40 divided by. So if I submit my answers for these questions, the second question was correct, the third was correct, fourth was correct, and the sixth one was also correct. So let me see. Yes, the second one was correct. See, the third one was correct. We did second, third. We did the fourth one, and we also did number 6. They are all correct. So please utilize this video and see whether you are able to complete your homework. Okay, keep your WebAssign and GeoGebra side by side, and situations like this, if you have non-terminating decimals, maybe you can use your graphing calculator to figure out the integral again and see what you get. Okay, take care. Hope this video will be helpful for you.